Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you meet basics: combat level, gear, and healing. Once done, teleport directly to Spider's Den. This is the spawn area for Arachne Keeper. Walk the indicated cave corridors counterclockwise to cover spawn zones efficiently. Make sure to enable private or public visibility depending on your preference so you join or avoid other players. You want to encounter Arachne Keeper quickly, so move steadily and avoid unnecessary combat with common spiders that slow your search. Once in the den, focus on high-probability spawn rooms. Arachne Keeper prefers larger caverns near web clusters. Use ranged or magic to pull it into a safe fighting space. This prevents being overwhelmed by ads. Make sure to clear small spider packs before engaging so you control the fight. If you still can't find it, reset by leaving the area briefly and re-entering to force new spawns. Then sweep methodically from entrance to farthest caverns to maximize coverage. You finish by controlling space. Kite around pillars, use burst damage during stagger windows and collect drops immediately. Arachne Keeper drops can despawn fast in crowded servers. If the boss fails to spawn or bugs, try relogging or switching instances to reset spawn tables. This often resolves stuck bosses. Make sure to communicate with teammates so you don't steal spawns or block loot. If you keep failing, scale gear or bring a dedicated tank to simplify engagements and reduce wipe risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.